Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sell items on Vinted without any printer. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, first of all, you need to create an account and simply tap open the Vinted app. So once you have opened it, you need to now tap on the sell option. So once you have done this as well, you need to simply tap on upload photos and you need to select it from your gallery. So once you have selected a particular photo, simply tap on the done option and now you need to give the title to it. So once you have done this as well, you need to describe your item, categorize them and set a price. So after you have done all this thing, you need to finally give an appropriate price to that particular thing on how much you want to sell it on Vinted. After setting all of this, you need to now simply tap on the upload option after you have selected a color as well. Once you hit on the upload, it will now get uploaded on your Vinted account and this item will be listed to be sold on Vinted without a printer. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.